Hi guys, my name is Jonas as Fidelis. I'm happy to see you all guys this morning. And secondly, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my YouTube subscribers. That you guys are really wonderful for making me being me. And all my returning subscribers. You guys are too much. When I mean you guys are too much, you guys are just too much, because I don't really know how to thank you guys, because you guys are the one that really make me be me. And you guys are just too much. And my classmates, when I mean my classmates, my family member who are YouTubers, I don't know if I can measure that in publicly, because I did not seek for permission first. Anyhow, anyway, I'm just happy, and I've been happy since I've been in Lagos for the past few weeks now. I know some guys will say, so guys, you come Lagos, you can't hide. I never hide. Just that Lagos people wanted to tie me down with something, I decided to run away. So what am I saying this morning? If you have not known me, I am the CEO of Chromatech Services and Logistics. As you can see, I'm about going out this morning to just pick my dad and take him out and just go for one or two things. Guy, good morning. Yeah, what's up? So, a lot of people have missed me so much in this estate. I've been away for some months now. They have not seen me, and they are asking. Some of them were afraid whether it's Corona that take me away, because they knew that it was during Corona I just came into the country, or before Corona I was in the country. And you can imagine that since that time till now, they have not seen me close to 6 or 7 months right now, as I'm talking to you right now. And all those why, that's why you see it has not been really good morning. So it has not been really easy. A lot of them have really missed me so much, and I've missed them too. Anyway, and even if I know, like, I wanted to introduce myself, I did not forget. When a madman is walking on the streets, if he's going straight, first of all, he will kick the ball to the left-hand side. You would think, where is this person going to? You never knew that he himself knew where he's going to. Then the next thing, he will kick to the right-hand side, but he's going straight. So that is how it is. Yes, like I was saying, my name is John Usas Fidelis, the CEO of Chromatech Services and Logistics. A lot of you will ask, what is all about Chromatech Services and Logistics? Chromatech Services and Logistics is all about interior and exterior decoration, and not just that. I'm a contractor, a full contractor, building contractor, name it, etc. Also, I'm a comedian, and a lot of people want me to really go into this comedy, and which I think is not really easy for me to call me just like that. If you even see me without saying anything, that this guy is not really comedian. And I want to really use this video to really appreciate those that have supported me so much. Chris Wise, that man is just too much. Please tune to his channel. That man is too much. Then Bread Queen, if I call her Bread, no mind me, is Bread Queen, okay? Yeah, she's in Qatar. She's a stylist, and she does a lot of styles. If you are there in Qatar, please try to visit her shop. She's just too much. And those people that cook, who don't give me food, I will mention a few of their names, visit their kitchen. If you don't know how to cook, you can learn a lot from them. Like me, I already know how to cook, because I started cooking inside my mother's womb. Because the day I came out from my mother's womb, the first food I cooked, when my mommy tell me, Even me myself, I even eat the food self. Or like Favor Kitchen. Try and visit that kitchen. Then Hope Kitchen. There's a big task somebody gave me. Bread Queen. She know. That one will not be easy for me to do. She gave me punishment. So I would not say it now. I'll just keep it within myself. So like as I was saying, Lagos is not easy. Lagosian na dey try. I was once a Lagosian before, but now I don't denounce myself. I'm no more a Lagosian again. So like I was saying, these people, you are just too much, you are wonderful, and I know a lot of you want me to go into comedy, right? So now this video, I want you to tell me if I will go fully into comedy or I should go into my art job, because I have a lot of things I do. That's why you see Chromatech Services and Logistics. We are here to service you. And don't forget, don't just watch my channel, just come there to visit and peep and all those things. No. It's not cool like that. It's not good like that. You know why it's not good like that? By the time you come, try and do something now. You can't just come to somebody's house. The person is not at home. What will you do? You leave a message. That's why there's a comment box there for you to comment. Sasso, I was here. This is me. This is who I am. But if you didn't come to tell me that I visit you, how do I know that you come to visit me? So that's why you need to touch that notification, that comment section. Leave your message there so that I will know that yes, you visit my channel. And secondly, all those that are coming, you know that you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? The time is clicking. Time is clicking, my friend. Dash on that thing that is red there. They show you sub. You know how my mom did do sub. Like I want just shower. My friend, sub. I know what is happening in this channel. Not just that alone. And by the side, right hand side, you will see something there that will tell you that something is happening anytime I drop any video. Even if I upload this video, I'm not going to do anything now. I will upload it now. So even if I upload this video, that will tell you that there's something is happening there. That is your VIP ticket. Think it's easy to get VIP ticket. It's free of charge. Free. They're not they charge you money. No, just free of charge. No, you don't need to pay one kobo, you not go pay. So please click on that bell. Collect that VIP ticket. That will always notify you that I'm alert. That will alert you all the time. I drop anything. Picking me, picking for your phone like this, you know, say yes. Usas don't drop something there for you. So what am I saying? I do a lot of things, you know. I do a lot of things. POP designs, you know, a lot of things like that. Anything that concerns building, outside building, you know. I'm into a lot of things, you know. So please, I love you guys. I love you guys. In fact, you guys are just too much. And cook. I'll be a cook or something like that. Please, if I didn't put it well, don't worry. Just drop your notification down there. Let them see you. Please visit that. Madam is a very great another cook again. If you not go our kitchen, chai, you want to eat. Oh, somebody told me our last baby in the class died. She told me that I don't know how to eat soup. Don't worry, when you come to these kitchens, you will know how to eat soup. You will know the importance of eating soup. By the time you eat soup, You will not eat any other food anymore. You will not be eating burger. You will not be eating sandwich. You will not be eating. Don't let me go far. Don't let me go far. Somebody's suing me. So guys, yeah, I'm checking out. Preparing to go to the office, you know. Like me, I tell them say office work no fits me. I don't know why they put me for office. Very soon I collapse, find my way, enter feed. Too much catara for office. The office, they do it. They press. Yesterday, now some of that tell me. Imagine somebody whenever stay for office for how many months? For like 5-6 months. Maybe if I be pilot, they'll carry me back to school, make I start to refresh my brain. Or gonna refresh my brain. They tell me, say, Usas, go and scan that document for me. Scan document for you? He say, yes. Okay. They go make I say go find out, go take help and scan the thing. He call me back. Okay, don't worry, put it there. Let me scan it by myself. I will scan it through that place. Through that place. I look. No helper. I drop on top of table. They press the laptop at the office. Oh, sir, this thing is not working. I say, what is not working? Now he come. He see the thing for top of table. He says, oh, sir, what did I tell you? I said, guy, you say you would do it yourself. That was why I dropped it on the table. He said, no. I said, you should drop it inside the scanner so that I will scan it through my system inside my office. I said, oh, okay, make you no verse. I don't know, say now so you put them. Okay, make I help you put them. He forget, say, he don't tell where this boy stay office reach. I can't put them. Whether I turn them upside down or not turn them upside down, be like, say, he might come tell and say, go check this boy, whether I do one way. I see him reach there, he check him. You see, Usas, painting don't scatter your head. I tell us, guy, you know now. Why painting not go scatter my head? Somebody when he be say he be pilot, he go back to school again. Now, instead of you to send me back to training, let me retrain. He say, wait, is that your computer head? I said, I don't go use and take paint for Torua and South. He say, I say yes. I not try. She be na help. Now I want help her. He tell me say, okay, my friend, I should go and sit one place. In fact, if you see what I help and do yesterday, even in secretary, making the pay, you know will fit. Please, don't forget to sub and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave your comment down below, okay?